Hi everyone. I'll introduce my software deep learning library, DeepPipe2. In short, I call it DP2. In this video, I will explain hyperparameter in DeepPipe2. Please look at this description. This is a neural network for MNIST. And this network is also for MNIST. Actually, this description is same as this one. They have same meaning. Different this one. We can omit some arguments. Weight matrix W. These arguments we cannot omit. First one is low size of weight matrix, and second 300 is column size of weight matrix. We cannot omit. But rest two arguments we can omit. If omitted, DP2 set to default value. First one is initial rate. DP2 set weight matrix random number. Each element random number. Gaussian random number generated by Box-Muller method. And DP2 multiply this parameter initial rate 0.1 to Gaussian random number. If this parameter is larger, DP2 set larger random number to element of weight matrix. And if this parameter is smaller, DP2 set smaller random number to each element of weight matrix. In deep learning, this argument is called hyperparameter. Hyperparameter is very important to learn in deep learning. We must set appropriate value hyperparameter. This is initial rate for initial value Gaussian random number. The second 0.1 is learning rate. Default is 0.1 learning rate. DP2 calculate gradient, and with gradient, DP2 update each element of weight matrix. If this hyperparameter learning rate is larger, DeepPipe2 learn more faster. If this learning rate is smaller, DP2 run slow. If this parameter learning rate is too big, DP2 cannot run. And if this running rate is very small, too small, DeepPipe2 can run, but very slowly. We must set this running rate appropriate. Important hyperparameter. Last one, 0.0. This is rate of dropout. Dropout is to avoid overfitting. If this parameter is 0, or dropout doesn't work. If this parameter is not 0, dropout works. For example, this parameter is 0.25. It means 25%. 25% elements of weight matrix doesn't work temporarily. This is the function of dropout. More details, please see other website, dropout and overfitting. And next one, bias. It is same as weight matrix. First argument, we cannot omit this one. This is dimension of bias. Cannot omit. And this parameter is hyperparameter. Same as weight matrix. First one is initial rate for initial random value, and second is learning rate, and last one is dropout rate. Default is 0. Sorry, my explanation is probably not good. Please see outside. For example, dropout. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. See you again.